ang pagkakatapo.
This is the Parsons Arlem. This
Ito ang
is the...
Tapos,
Ang galing, di ba?
ipapost ko yung tawag na tambo.
Diba? Nagwawalis ng Walker sa The Walking Dead. Oh, nakakuha kami ng isa.
Wallet tambo,
Oh.
part 2. Part 1 na ako. Ay, ano.
Ah, yun pala yun. Yung walis tambo.
Wala!
Ay, yun pala yun.
Hindi, hanapin mo pa, wala.
Walis tambo.
Wala. Wala. Wala nga.
Para boom, gusto niyo siya makita ng malapitan talaga. This is the Parsons Arlem.
Pogi. Yun lang po.
Ako, ang pinakapogi na lalaki sa buong mundo. I am the most prettiest man in the world.
Popot ko kaya yan.
This is the Parsons Arlem. Same man, but I feel it's just a little bit bigger now. A song on the radio, but it's all the same. When our friends talk about the old, that you turn me down. When I hear your name, and all just starts like, woo, ooh, ooh, ooh. Do you realize that I should have brought you flowers and held your hands, take you out the water, and the answer just take you to every part of the go. Dance, no, my baby's dancing, man's dancing with another man. That is the when I was a man.
Pangit.
I am the prettiest man in the world. See you later for the part 2.